In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable rich Jupyter Notebook diffs on GitHub in just a few straightforward steps. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, understanding how to use rich Jupyter Notebook diffs can significantly enhance your workflow by offering a clearer view of changes in your notebooks. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's open up your GitHub dashboard. This is your main hub on GitHub, where you can manage your repositories, track issues, and see notifications all in one place. Make sure you're logged into your GitHub account before proceeding. Now, over in the top right corner of your dashboard, you'll see your profile icon. It's right there, a small circle, with either your chosen picture or perhaps just a default icon if you haven't uploaded an image yet. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you access to profile settings, repositories, and a host of other features. What we're interested in today is the option labeled Feature Preview. Clicking on Feature Preview will take you to a page on GitHub where you can see a list of new or experimental features you have the option to enable. This is generally where GitHub introduces new functionalities to its users, allowing them to test and provide feedback. Once you're on the Feature Preview page, you'll want to look to the left-hand side where there is a list of features. One of these features is Rich Jupyter Notebook diffs. It might not be selected by default, so it's important to make sure this is the feature you're viewing. If you're not already under Rich Jupyter Notebook diffs, take a moment to click on it. But rest assured, this should be readily visible amongst the list of new features, so no worries if you need to look around for a second. Now, with Rich Jupyter Notebook diffs selected, turn your attention to the top right corner of this section. Here, you'll find a button labeled Enable. Clicking this button will enable Rich Jupyter Notebook diffs for your account, offering a more sophisticated and detailed view of your notebook's diffs. This is especially useful when you are working extensively with Jupyter notebooks and need clearer, richer comparisons of changes made to your documents over time. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Rich Jupyter Notebook diffs on GitHub. From now on, you should experience enhanced functionality when viewing changes in your Jupyter notebooks. This can be a small step, but it's highly beneficial for improving your productivity and making code reviews or collaboration on projects much easier. Whether you're collaborating with others or just managing your projects solo, having this feature enabled ensures you have the best tools at your disposal. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!